If you are looking for the best pour-over coffee, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on your personal preference and sorted it based on the features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and the customer feedback. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have the Herveo V60. If a streaming mug of not your grandfather's coffee is what you crave, then there is no better brew method than manual drip coffee. With a practiced hand, the slow method of pour-over brewing can bring up the subtle and complex flavor of your coffee beans. Automated methods can do a decent job for a price, but they won't give you the flexibility needed to crack open the delicate notes of different roasts. Manual pour-over, on the other hand, allows you to customize each brew to your specific preferences. Plus, there is the satisfaction that comes with learning a new craft and in enjoying the rewards that come with the skill. In this case, a damn fine cup of coffee. Though this brew method doesn't take a lot of time, it does demand your undivided attention. Take your eyes off a pour-over brew at the wrong time and the boom, disaster. With that in mind, pour-over coffee isn't for everyone. If you're looking for a quick, no-fuss cup of joe, then I would recommend looking somewhere else. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Chemex Classic Series Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker. If you're looking for an ultimate coffee experience, Chemex Classic Series Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker suits your taste. This coffee maker is scientifically designed together with the Chemex mounted filters to bring out the perfection to its pour-over brewing process. This is made with the non-porous borosilicate glass known to exude any chemical residue or odor. For best result, 5 ounces of water should be added to a rounded tablespoon of ground coffee, depending on your preference. You can make it as a baseline and change your ratio. First, you got to put a small amount of water to the coffee ground for it to bloom, extracting the elements from your ground coffee. You can cover it and put it in the fridge or to heat the coffee again without altering its flavor. However, for perfect brewing, use 200 degrees hot water. The number 3 position is held by Bottom Pour-Over Coffee Maker. Bottom Pour-Over Coffee Maker gives the convenience to prepare a cup of coffee without the need of an expensive coffee maker. It's made of borosilicate glass and has a permanent stainless steel mesh filter for more efficient filtering. One brewing process can produce 34 ounces of rich coffee with all the essential and natural oil retained in each cup of your coffee. Add ground coffee to its cone-shaped filter, then slowly add hot water until all the grounds have been soaked. Continue pouring the water until your desired ratio is achieved. Wait for around 3 to 4 minutes and your coffee is ready. Next at number 4, we have Coffee Getter Pour-Over Brewer. In a pour-over brewing method, unlocking the fullest potential of the coffee might be a bit challenging, but with the Coffee Getter Pour-Over Brewer, you can prepare coffee that really tickles your taste bud. The Carafe is 100% BPA free with reliable mesh filter. The filter allows you to get the most of your coffee without the beans. It's made of stainless steel to ensure that all the natural oils and flavor of your coffee is poured into each cup. To achieve a great tasting coffee, prepare 1 ounce medium coarse coffee grounds and 12 ounce water at boiling point. Put the coffee in the filter and slowly pour the water until all water has been poured. Remove the filter and serve. For easier cleaning, you may use paper filters over the mesh filter to easily remove the coffee grounds. The number 5 position is held by the Kalita Wave. Do you love the pour-over brew at your local cafe but feel too intimidated to try it at home? You're not alone, and that's why the Kalita Wave exists. This coffee dripper offers a happy marriage between high-quality craft brewing and approachability. At first glance, the Wave may seem like your average pour-over dripper, but it's got a bit more going on. It's flat, 3-hole bottom restricts the flow of water, simplifying the overall process. This design features also produces a slightly more concentrated cup of coffee than other drippers. The Wave's unique rigid filters hold the slurry out away from the dropper's walls, allowing air to balance to the flow of water and act as an insulator, keeping your brew warm. Compared to other pour-over brewers, the Wave is an approachable device that makes a bold yet flavorful cup of coffee. That's why it's a favorite. year after year. The number 6 position is dominated by a Zebo Black insulated pour-over coffee maker. A little expensive, but a durable pour-over coffee maker is what you need in your daily coffee cravings. A Zebo Black insulated pour-over coffee maker is a great machine that lives up to its promise of quality. It's made of heat-resistant borosilicate glass. It comes with a 32-ounce thermal cafe that holds hot coffee for up to 12 hours. The stainless steel micromesh filter keeps the coffee ground and all impurities from your coffee. This means you can have a bold, fresh and perfect coffee until its last drop. It's eco-friendly, BPA-free and made with food-grade material. It's easy to clean and portable. You can use it anywhere you go. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Bottom Bistro Coffee Maker. A modern version of the traditional drip system, Bottom Bistro Coffee Maker automates the pour-over brewing process, hence your coffee will be ready in as fast as 6 minutes. It is a 1450-watt heating element that quickly heats water and maintains its temperature for a more flavorful coffee. It uses a shower head like in some home coffee makers that evenly distributes water to the ground coffee for balance and perfect blend. Instead of disposable paper filter, it uses stainless steel fine meshed filter to bring out the pure taste of every coffee ground. It is a thermal cafe carafe made of double-walled stainless steel that keeps coffee hot without its bitter taste. The number 8 position is held by Bee House Ceramic Dripper. The Bee House Ceramic Coffee Dripper is yet another Japanese import with a lot to offer. It comes in 2 sizes, large and small, so if you're a home barista without a lot of room to spare in your kitchen, the smaller size can be very handy. A huge plus of this coffee dripper, which the V60 and the Kalita Wave can't offer, is the ability to use any old standard cone coffee filter with it. This is important because if, or rather when you run out of filters, you can easily find them in a grocery. It's wedge-shaped with vertical wedges along the bottom half of the dripper only, and 2 drips hold at the bottom. The wedge means better heat retention and more consistent contact between the coffee ground and the water. This means that making coffee with the ceramic coffee dripper results in an evenly extracted brew with very minimal effort. The main selling point, however, is the ease of use. Forget fancy kettles, forget strict brew time rules. Brewing coffee with this coffee dripper delivers a gorgeous brew without the hard work. Next at number 9, we have Clever Dripper Coffee Maker. The Clever Dripper is the coffee maker that was created to make manual coffee easy and entertaining. Spoiler alert, it worked. For that reason, it's one of her favorite pour-over browsers. It's easy to use but still makes a clear cup for pour-over coffee. It's shaped just like a standard pour-over brewer, but a valve on the bottom allows you to hold hot water in the brew cone. Because of this, the Clever is considered an immersion-style brewer, meaning you can produce something like French press coffee, but without the madly layer of fine coffee ground at the bottom of the cup. Clever indeed. It is an uncomplicated tool to use and allow even the newbie to brew coffee with minimal effort. It works well with dark roasts and creates a full-bodied cup that feels strong and highlights rich, chocolatey flavors. Though you may not recognize the name, you have almost certainly tried an immersion-style coffee before. Here are a number of such coffee makers, the most popular of which is the French press. Immersion-style coffee is all about full contact. Unlike drip coffee, with immersion coffee, the hot water and the grounds are in complete contact throughout the entire brew. Filtering comes at the very end once your slurry has had plenty of time to sleep. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Beliter Ready Set Joe. Looking for a quick, easy and cheap way to make fancy coffee? Look no further than the Beliter Ready Set Joe, the most newbie-friendly pour-over coffee maker and the most inexpensive option in this list of manual coffee drippers. The simple nature of the Ready Set Joe is to its strong point, but it's a double-edged sword. There aren't any special features to get excited about. You simply put in a filter, put in your grounds and pour the water all in the one go. This unpretentious coffee dripper is cheap, a breeze to use, and portable like the new Wakako Kubamoka, meaning it's a great fit for anyone who likes to camp or travel without baggage. That's all for today. We upload tech product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.